Sana sa'yo. Happy birthday, Tol. Thank you, thank you. Oh, Jerry, happy birthday. I've known you for kaunti pa lang, pero ang dami ka ng, na marami mo nasa-share tungkol sa buhay mo, and I'm sure
sana stay happy. Sana nag-enjoy ka dito sa konting surprise namin. Sana maging masaya ka dito sa birthday mo.
So, Jake, happy birthday. Para don't change lahat na
Okay. So, Jake, feliz cumpleaños. Happy birthday.
thank you.
Wish you all the best. Sana huwag kang magbabago. Sana nagustuhan mo yung surprise na namin sa'yo. And mag-enjoy ka. Mag-enjoy ka.
Hindi ka. Doon niro yan. Pakita niyo yung niro niyo.
So, Jake, happy birthday. I hope
Thank you.
you liked our stamp. And then, kasi we were thinking of something different. Kasi outside, you can get whatever you want.
I guess whatever
So,
I
dito
want.
naman, parang iba. And then, there. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Oh, Jen, happy birthday do. Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayon. And, alam mo ko, kakaiba tong birthday sa'yo kasi nung dati birthday mo, parang 40 people ka lang. Ito kakaiba talaga. Pamayaman talaga ito na birthday. Kakaiba talaga ito sa'yo, okay? Yeah. I love you, do. I love you.
Thank you.
Well, Jake, happy birthday, and I hope you liked it. I just took you to the candy shop. And I hope that the whole night ngayon, it'll be filled with sweetness and goodies, like candy
goodies.
shop. And God bless you sa lahat ng ginagawa mo, and more success in your life.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Nick.
Wait, sasagalin ko rin yung pagkamis money ko, eh. Ay, number ko pala, number 8. Happy birthday, Dog. From the very start, I really like Paul-Jake, and
Go first.
before, and I know you know it, alam mo na gusto kita, but siguro eventually parang naisip ko, oh my God, I couldn't like him because my girlfriend is si Paul-Jake, and I shouldn't. That was, eventually I learned to really change that lightness, blah, blah, blah. Tapos because, aside from the very cute lips and very nice hair, blah, blah, he is a very loyal guy. So, wish ko lang kayo, sana ay mas maging healthy ang love life mo when you go out, and keep that loyalty to your girlfriend, and sana din longer yung stay mo dito sa loob ng bahay. Happy birthday.
Thank you, thank you.
Sorry,
ako lang yung may
Richard Rich, my online crush. Bago ako pumasok.
online crush.
Super. Alam ko na to. Kasi basta na-release ang nito. Richard Rich, super crush ko to. Hanapin ko to sa loob. So anyway,
Isa mo lang, Ray, so patanong na.
Thank you, Rick.
Say, wala pa. Dali, nahirapan kami mag-prepare to kung ano yung bibigay sa'yo kasi feeling namin you have everything in life, you can buy everything, kaya mo you can afford, you might have celebration na sobrang hindi namin malampasan, ganyan. And mahirap, but kanina inisip ko na I think it would be more difficult for you then to ganun yung feeling namin, mag-prepare lang tapos sa'yo. I don't know how can you appreciate things, pero sa yung relationship, sa business, sa family mo, how you make sure na your business is intact, your personal aspiration for yourself. I think you're the one na kaya maka-appreciate ng simple things kahit na you know that you can actually buy even the biggest available. So I'm sure you'll be happy. And happy birthday.
Thank you.
But Paul-Jake, you can't buy bunnies like us! And sabayan mo ako, in here! Sabayan mo ako! Bakit? In here, we party!
Party.
Blow na.
Wish for you. Wish ka muna.
Pwede tol din mo sabihin. Pwede sabihin mo lang.
Well, I don't know what to wish her. Everything's here naman inside Big Brother's house. You guys are still here. I'm very happy to spend my Christmas. And, you know, birthday pala. And Christmas, yeah. Well, you guys didn't have to do anything. We could have just, you know, kung yung food, a simple, you know, kain lang, you know. Sanay naman ako sa simple na mga ganito. So, yeah. I couldn't wish for anything else. Just perfect lang po yung birthday ko. Thank you very much, guys, for preparing everything.
You're welcome very much.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Thank you guys.
Hindi ko nagplano raw lahat nito.
Diyan ka lang.
Diyan ka lang. You can't go anywhere while we party. Oh, you can party with us.
May ganyan siya?
May siya?
May ganyan siya. Sige.
Pare, may box ba?
Pwede
Box
natin
para
ilapit
sa
dito,
isip mo
oh.
yan.
Tagal natin para malagay yung cake.
Oh, parang ayos na.
Wow, ganda ng mga ano.
Magbilis
Sa
ka
mga
na.
boys.
Halimutan mo yung
Thank you, Rita. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Happy birthday to
Thank you, bye. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Wow,
very
king
much.
talaga. Wow, talaga. Open.
Open.
Open. Open. Sesame.
Tuloy, nasa right.
Itanong ka lang natin siya dito.
Bubukap.
Dito.
Huwag kang matakot. Huwag kang...
Kaya nga.
Hindi kang matakot sa pagbukas niya.
So, thank you, guys.
Open inside. Naka-chop-chop na. Ayun na.
Open yan.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
Naka-open na yun.
Go change.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys.
Yay.
Galing.
Over na. Parang stone. Parang stone. Teka, chismis.
Bodyguard?
Rika, chismis.
Ganda mag-bodyguard nga na ganito.
I was not in project ever since when?
Sinakasali ka naman yun.
Chismisan mo ko sa online class. What about?
Ay, kasi na-release yung first batch ng Housemate as well. Online.
Oh, okay.
Ay, nako.
Second week ka.
Perfect.
Ano pa lang, may picture sa doon?
Rich Rich, ang Cebu.
Eto talaga. Eto.
Eto.
Online yan siya.
Hip-hop. In person.
Bongga ba kang lipstick po, Jake?
Chismis din si Kapi. Halika nga dito, mag-chismisan tayo. Chismis.
Ako online eh. Ako online.
First, kapag mo siya ang crush ko first.
Crush ko siya mga 2 weeks.
Alam ko yung nakatag.
Alam niya.
Ako sinasabi yan.
Alam ni Jason.
My God.
May
Chicken lollipop. Yung sabi mo. Uy, okay itong red carpet. Pag Christmas party. Yung chicken lollipop. Pansit.
Ano yan? Parang kapatid ko.
Kuya music.
Alam ko na ang first music.
Celebration.
Dali.
Caravana party.
Celebration number 1 eh.
Take it in the family shop. Ako lang pwede magsabi kung sino pwede kumain.
May picture tayo mamikan.
Ako pwede? Oo, pwede.
Tol.
Pwede kami.
Rosa eh.
Isay mo lang sa kusina na.
Pasina. Flavor band.
Pang-foreigner talaga.
Sa flavor man.
Sayo ulit!
Sayawan niyo doon, sayawan niyo doon.
Mga boys! Ano yung mga boys?
Sayawan natin.
Boys!
Dito lang.
Manonood lang ako.
Yun lang tayo. Papatid mo!
Sana tayo.
Kaya parang...
Ito na.
Di pa.
Doon ang tayo sa
It's a bunny world. Ayun yun yung nasa TV.
Hirap dito, no?
Boys. Sure.
Tol, chocolate. Parang kamay ako dyan. Tol, sasayaw ka dapat. Sayaw ikaw. Sayaw mo si parang project. Ako na parang kami nakakapat dito.
Ate, ano na lang tayo, ma?
Madali.
Okay, tanong po ka. Tapos mag-rap kami sa'yo. Pagdating kayo dito sayawan. Ikaw, tali ka dito. Sige, ayun lang, ayun ka lang. Una, dito.
Parang kamay ako eh.
Wala yung iba naman.
Ay, sige na, oy!
Project.
Tingnan mo nagka. Dami sa'yo. Na.
Wala lang.